Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. I am Chelly, owner operator, and today we have an exciting video showing you all the new digital downloads that we have. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. We're going to head on over to FlashCustomTransfers.com. Right on the landing page, we're going to scroll down. We do offer high quality DTF transfers, UVDTF, glitter DTF, and glow in the dark if you are interested. We do have our Mamaki bundles and we have our Roto Trim. But if you scroll down, we have our new Halloween image bundles, singles, and gang sheets, pre-made gang sheets. So let's go ahead and get into that. We have this Thug Life horror bundle, which could be used for DTF, DTG, sublimation, UVDTF. So this is just a downloadable image, high resolution. So you can see here, you can put it on hoodies, UVDTF, you can put it on a water bottle, you can press it on a backpack. Again, this is not a physical item, this is just a downloadable image. And these are some of the ones in here. So it just has all the scary guys, thug life in it out. You can also resell these and make your money back. You can resell them on Etsy. You can resell them wherever you like. We have our Mega Horror, which has over 1,000 images in here. And these are just some of them. Put it on bags, hoodies, UVDTF as on the back of your computer. Let me see. So these are some of the images it comes with. It comes with over 1,000. So tons and tons of images that you can use. You can create your own pre-made gang sheets. You can sell them. Like I said, create digital images, all kinds of things. Some of these come with vectors, so you can customize those. This one is $15. The villain bundle, this one's my favorite. This comes with a lot of funny images. Again, horror images, gearing up for Halloween. So this one, you can put on back of skateboards with UVDTF. DTF, we learned that you could iron on wood. You just would need something to seal it on there. Villain bundle, so it has, Mean Girls. It has all types of funny things in here. The Slasher Brothers, the Step Brothers, I think that's what that movie was called. That was so funny. Let me see, and this one is $10. Again, digital item, not a physical item. Here, let's see what else we got. We have the tarot cards. Again, you can use that for DTF, UVDTF. This one is also $10. So those are our bundles. You can purchase those. Once you email them, we will email you that link. We do have several singles. So we have the Straight Outta Nightmares, the Thug Life, the Hocus Pocus Thug Life, which is my favorite, Michael Myers Thug Life, Dutch Bros for all the coffee lovers. This one I will not read. I will, with birthday wishes. Rolling up. So these are just some individual ones that we picked out that we thought would be funny. This one is bunty and cute. So these are also going for $4.95 individuals. This is not a physical item. It's just a digital download, high quality digital download. So it is ready for printing. So we have the Mean Boys, Just a Tip, Be Trippin', You'll Float Too. The Beetlejuice is coming out soon, so this is a nice high resolution image for the Beetlejuice movie coming. Star Wars, like my husband loves Star Wars, so this is just a tribute to him. I know he was very happy over that one. Stay Spooky. This has all the little spooky heads in there. And of course, this is our one we had from last year. It has all of the football teams with a scary spice stuff there. Down here we have our pre-made gang sheets. So these are already set up with adult size images. I just randomly picked some of the good images that we had in some of these packs, put them on there. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 images for $65, adult size. So it's about 10 width, 11 width here. So we have that one, number 1, and then we have number 2. So it just comes with a few of the popular images on there. And this is a physical item. You would get a 22 by 60 gang sheet with these images on there. We do have all of these as well, the faith, the coffee, the bridal, pre-made gang sheets here with those. So we have tons of pre-made gang sheets, tons of digital downloads. We also have free downloads. So if you go here, free stock images, and these are all our free. These are some that we put on here. I believe one was it 2023, and most of these can be customized. So I know the seniors, like if you get in there, the AI, the vectors in there, you can change that to a 4 or 5. Some of these, but these are instant downloads. So if you want to click medical field Christmas bundle, you would click it and the images are right there. So these are instant. You can use those. How do I go back? Or how do I go back to my, here we go. So let me see, Black History Month. So these are free images here. And we do have, if you do have a DTF printer, we do have Mamaki consumables. You would just email us and we can get you. We also have regular consumables, DTF films, inks, powders, shakers. Let's go ahead and head on over to Flash Printing Depot. Here we go. So this is, if you're interested, we have shakers, the first to have a print tech shaker, Mamaki with the print tech shaker. If you're interested, you can email us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com and we can get you more information. We have a fume extractor, and these are all available right now. Also the consumables, again here, this is an order form. We just want to make sure that we get you to the right place for your consumables. And of course, our YouTube channel, you're here watching. We have tons of videos. This is the shaker that we have in stock right now that would be ready for shipment. So that is our Flash Printing Depot. New things coming, Flash Printing Depot. Our physical location is still in the works. So we got all types of things going, but today is about digital downloads. So get your digital downloads. We're just gearing up for Halloween that's coming up. We're about to hit September. So I know all you crafters, business owners like to get ready and just kind of prep, get ahead of the season so no one's scrambling around. I know a lot of people who make t-shirts and things like that are gearing up for these digital downloads. So we're just trying to be ahead of the curve and keep you all well equipped with the cool digital downloads of the season. So if you have any questions, you can email me at ordernow@flashprinting. No, not that. You can email me at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And if you have questions on equipment or anything like that, that is flashprintingdepot@gmail.com. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.